Are you facing with the challenge of generating beautiful eyes in Stable Diffusion? Well, you're not alone. Many users face issues where eyes come out looking weird or even downright horrific. But don't you worry, because today I've got some game-changing tips to fix those peepers and make them pop. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick methods you can follow to fix eyes in Stable Diffusion. Whether you want to fix a bad eye in an image you generated, or you never ever want to face the issue of bad eyes, I've got everything covered for you. So, let's get started and fix some bad eyes. The first method I'm going to share is perfect for fixing bad eyes on images you've already generated using Stable Diffusion. For this method, we use the inpainting tool found in the Image to Image tab in Automatic 1111. This is by far the quickest and easiest method to fix eyes in Stable Diffusion. It is a tried and tested method, and I've found myself using it often to fix eyes that look bad. The concept is pretty simple. You upload an image you generated to the inpainting tab and draw a mask over those misbehaving eyes. Then you enter a quick prompt and bam, problem solved. Here's how to do it. Click on the Image to Image tab in Automatic 1111. Now, click on the InPaint tab and upload the image with those ugly eyes. Alternatively, you can also send an image to the InPaint tab from the Text to Image tab by clicking on the Send to InPaint button here. Now that our image is in the InPaint tab, draw a mask over the eyes and cover them completely as if you never want to see them again. All that's left now is to write a positive and negative prompt to fix the bad eyes. Here's the prompt I've used to fix the eyes in this image. You'll notice that the prompts are very simple and short. That's because writing a long or complicated prompt for fixing eyes could sometimes make things even worse. Since we're not generating an entire image and are only fixing bad eyes, you can just enter a short prompt and get good results. For the inpainting configuration, I've used the DPM++ 2M SDE Keras sampler with 30 sampling steps. The mask mode is set to InPaint Masked and the masked content to Original. I haven't changed the other settings and left them as is. However, you can experiment with the sampler and test which one gives a better output. For the checkpoint model, you can use the same one you used to generate the image. I'm using the Epic Realism checkpoint model, which I've also used to generate the image. Now, hit that generate button and wait for the magic to happen. Here are the results after inpainting. The results are pretty impressive, and now the eyes look a lot better than the original image. Now, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can further improve the image by using a negative embedding in your prompt. These bad boys are like your secret weapons against wonky eyes. Using embeddings or lora models is another great way to fix eyes in Stable Diffusion. The beauty of using these models is that you can either use them during image generation or use them during inpainting to fix a badly generated eye. So this method is great if you want to avoid getting bad eyes during text to image generation. There are a ton of negative embeddings you can find, but my favorite ones are Easy Negative and Fast Negative, as they work great for fixing eyes. Not only are these embeddings going to help you fix bad eyes, but they can also help you out with fixing bad hands, legs, mouth, and any unwanted feature you'd want to avoid when generating an image. Let's download the Easy Negative embedding from this website, which I've linked down below in the description. Once your model is downloaded, place it in the Embeddings folder in your Stable Diffusion directory. Let's run our inpainting once again, but now using the embedding model we downloaded. To do this, click on this icon. Here and now, select the Textual Inversion tab. From here, select the Easy Negative model, and it'll be added to your negative prompt. Now, let's run the prompt again with the same configuration settings. And wowza! The eyes now look even better thanks to the magic of our negative embedding. Besides negative embeddings, you can also try using lora models in your prompts to get better eyes. The Eyes model by Polyhedron is very good at generating beautiful eyes. There are also lora models, like realistic eyes that are specifically made for inpainting. You can also use this model to fix bad eyes during inpainting. The last method to fix eyes in Stable Diffusion is using proper prompts to avoid bad eyes. I know what you're thinking. I use good prompts but still get bad eyes. While prompting doesn't always guarantee you'll never face issues with eyes, you can still reduce such occurrences with the use of the right prompts. I like adding certain words in my positive prompts, which is helpful in generating good eyes. Here are some words you can enter in your positive prompt to generate better eyes in Stable Diffusion. These words will help you fix a lot of issues you'd usually face with bad eyes. Crafting the right words can make all the difference. Positive prompts and a sprinkle of negativity. That's the winning combo. Toss in an embedding and you get stunning eyes in Stable Diffusion. So these are all the 3 methods you can follow to fix bad eyes in Stable Diffusion. Other than this, you can also try using ControlNet for fixing bad eyes, but it's time-consuming and gives more or less the same results as the methods I've shared. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please let me know by hitting that like button. If you have any questions about the methods I've shared in this video, please ask your questions in the comments below. Until then, I hope you create gorgeous art with Stable Diffusion.